Thank you very much for registering for this webinar, how to get high-paying clients without paying a dime. That sounds like a big promise, but when you attend this webinar, you see how simple and how effective what we're going to teach you is. And by the time you put it into practice, you see the reason why we said it is a proven method of getting clients for consultants especially, or those of you that you work with people or companies one-on-one. Now, there are three types of people, and I congratulate you because you are a person of action for actually taking the time to register for this webinar. My name is Ayo Benson. I trained as a chartered accountant and I was in the corporate world for many years. I've also run e-commerce business. I am a serial entrepreneur, if you can call me that. But now, at this stage, I want to devote the rest of my career to helping businesses, sharing my gifts, sharing my talents, and helping businesses grow very, very rapidly. Now, I'm also an author. I've written a book on mindset and entrepreneurship. It's called Gold Mine of Your Mind, Your Fast Track to Abundance. So I've got wealth of knowledge in business and I'm also a great teacher. Okay. So which is a very great combination for you. You will not only learn a lot on the day, you also have fun. So that's a big promise. Right now, as I speak to you, I've sent you a video. It's gonna give you the foundation of what we're going to teach on the day. Not only that, I'm also gonna be sending you powerful resources that will complement what we're going to teach at the webinar. Okay, so make sure you attend that webinar because there are three types of people. There are the dreamers. They dream, they don't do anything. And we also have the starters. They start great, they will register for this webinar, but they will not attend. And then you have the doers, people that will start and finish something. People like Sam Walton, people like Jeff Bezos, people like Henry Ford, Steve Jobs. All these greats, they start something and they will make sure that they finish it. Even Sam Walton said the only reason why he was so successful building Walmart was his passion to complete. That is the only reason. So make sure you too develop the passion to complete. If registered for this webinar, make sure you attend. Be on the lookout for resources we're going to be sending you in the next few days. I hope to see you at the webinar. Thank you. Your mind is a gold mine. Use it. Bye for now.